Shoton, or the Kurt festival, is one of the most celebrated Tibetan festivals in Tibet. The Tibetans continue to celebrate even in exile. It is a celebration performed originally for monks returning from their retreat journey. For the past 27 years, the celebration has traveled to many parts of India, and the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, or TIPA as we know, has been instrumental in hosting Shoton. This year, TIPA is hosting Shoton from May 7th till the 19th in Dharamshala, with 14 troupes performing from different parts of India, Nepal, and the United States. Let us hear from some of the participants on their Tibetan opera journey and what inspires them to learn, enjoy, and be a part of this festival.
My name is Tenzin Ching, and I'm from Upper TC School, and this year we are going to perform Milarepa.
My name is Chola Tichung, and I belong to the group from USA known as Chaksampa, and we're participating in this 28th Opera Festival, Shoton. And our performance this year is going to be Chogi Gyabo Norsang, Prince Norsang.
My name is Tenzin Changchup, and I'm from Tibetan Home School, Missouri. And today we are here to play Suginima.
My name is Tenzin Dawa. I'm from TIPA. This year we are gonna perform Joa Samu, the opera.
My name is Tenzin Thakpa, and I'm from Manpat Tibetan Hamu Association. And this year we will be performing Chategin Dawa.
My name is Lekhi Wangshu, and I'm from TISIP School, Jontra. So today, my opera team, TISIP School, Jontra Hamu Chokpa, is here to perform the Kesa Besa Shung.
Shoton is not something new. It has been celebrated since His Holiness the 5th Dalai Lama, and Sho means Kurt and Tuen means festival. So basically it's a Kurt festival, and it is mostly practiced in July.
The Chaksamba was actually founded by myself and two other artists in San Francisco in 1991 to somewhere there, or 98. And we have been performing music, dance, Tibetan music, dance in US mostly, sometimes in Europe. And then we also do some Lhamo 2 opera too, but we don't have a really huge performers. And so this time it's very special that we are collaborating with the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts artists.
Approximately since class 6, I have been actively participating in Namo Thokpa of our school, and this year is my 6th. I joined Hashung from 2024 when I was in my grade 11. I was very new to the surrounding, and I think I still am because I still have a lot to learn.
I got the chance to get into the 27th and 28th Shoton Festival, and for that I'm very grateful.
I think it's been 6-7 years.
I feel nervous and excitement at the same time.
The reason why I joined Hashung for the first time, and it was my interest. I had an interest in dancing and performing cultural dances since I was a little kid. So I think interest is the main reason why I kept going despite all the challenges. I don't take this as a challenge. I take this as a responsibility towards my own country.
As a Tibetan, I think not to lose our identity. And as you all know, His Holiness really loves opera. So, and to pass the younger generations.
So as being a student, I know that the prime purpose of being a student is to study well. But apart from studying, we also must emphasize our own interest and passion. So my passion is drawn by singing, dancing, and all. And while I'm performing the opera, I don't only enjoy dancing. I also keep in mind that opera is intensely and deeply connected to the Tibetan culture, and I feel deeply honored to contribute to this Tibetan culture.
When I hear the word Shoton, I think of something very graceful and precious, where all the performing arts come together, all the school dance teams come together and perform religious events.
So when I think about the word Shoton, 3 words appear to my mind: hard work, culture, and heritage. So even though I'm not a pure Tibetan, I'm a Himalayan child, but I also give very high priority to Tibetan culture. and I feel no regret that I've sacrificed my studies and come to the Shoton platform, because I'm contributing a great deal to this Tibetan culture.
Well, my generation and all the generation afterward, I was the first generation, born in India, and we have never seen Tibet, and we have always heard from our elders the festival in Tibet and the context and the joy that it brings to the community. And when I was learning and performing in India, there was not that much of an interest, but now, the kind of the younger generation seems to be paying attention and performing, and this is such a beautiful thing to witness.